I think it's gonna explode.
You think so? I think it's gonna be a chemical reaction.
Chemical
That's just making more ice because Mommy took all the ice.
Welcome to Learning League. Hello, I have cornstarch in here and it stinks.
Vinegar. So we have vinegar mixed with red food coloring.
Yeah, and we have some cornstarch on these icicles, and we have rings.
So Sophia's gonna pour the vinegar over it and see what happens. What do you think will happen?
I think it's gonna explode.
You think so? I think it's gonna be a chemical reaction. That's just making more ice because Mommy took all the ice. All right, so take your squirter.
Okay.
Careful not to spill. I hear it.
It's not doing it. Let me do some more.
Ooh, it's bubbling up. Look at it. Whoa!
Over here.
Why did we choose the heart rings to put in there?
Because I wanted to just look cool.
To look cool, and also because of Valentine's Day.
Yeah. Well, let's do some more. Can we?
Ooh.
We can do this.
Yeah. Just be careful, okay?
But I can fix it. That really got some cornstarch on me. Yeah. I'm gonna smell gross in a year.
Yeah, we'll have to wash our hands. Do you like the sound of it bubbling up?
Yeah. Come on. Ooh. Come here. Ow. Getting the ring. Yay, I saved the ring. Oh, no, I did it.
Okay, do you want to pour a little bit more on?
Yeah. My.
Ooh.
Come on, explode.
Maybe if you pour some on there, it will. Try pouring it.
It's not working. Come on. I'm gonna pour all of it.
Ooh, it's bubbling.
It's bubbling up! Ah! We need some more. Cornstarch in here.
We're gonna do a little bit more vinegar.
Just do a lot. Do a lot.
What does it smell like?
It's smells like gross bananas.
Gross bananas. Don't do too much, okay? Just a little bit.
There.
You can kind of see it. It's a little bit red on the bottom.
Yeah.
I like all the little bubbles it's creating. Bubble, bubble, bubble.
There we go. I
That
need
is
some
so
more.
cool.
It's definitely gonna work if we pour it. Wait for it.
Whoa!
It's definitely pink! Let's do some more so it can be even more pink.
That is
I can
cool.
feel it bubbling.
You can feel it bubbling on your finger?
Feel it.
Yeah.
It's totally
Just don't get it anywhere around your mouth, okay?
Come on. I want to put some drops.
Just a couple drops, okay?
One. Oh, it's going red.
Now go get some baking soda that's on the counter.
There. Okay, let's get some baking soda. Some more baking soda. Let's get it in here.
And just pour a little bit onto here. You don't have to put it in there. You can pour it on there.
Come on. Wow.
Whoa, that's a lot.
I like the cornstarch.
Here, maybe mix it. Mix it around in there.
Can I do that?
Mhm.
Can I put a little bit more? Like a shot. I'm making some bubble titty. Making some.
All right, that's
cornstarch.
pretty good.
Need some more food coloring. Because it's Valentine's. I'm gonna put a lot of food coloring.
Okay, that's probably good.
Dun da da da. We're making it a lot.
Ooh, that looks very pretty.
Can I have a little?
Does the ice make it look cool?
I can feel the eyes.
It kind of looks like punch, but it is not. Can you feel the rings in there? I see a ring. Do you want to do this experiment again?
Yeah,
Was it fun to play in?
it is. But I need to get my hands under here.
They're cold, aren't they?
Yeah.
All right. Happy Valentine's Day to everybody. Hug the ones that you love. And we will see you guys next time.
Bye.
Subscribe, like, share this video, and we will see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Bye.